So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be discussing some super tips to study social science, with the help of which you will be able to study it more efficiently and gain good marks in it. So without wasting much time, let's get on with it. So the first subject which we'll encounter in SST or social science is history, officially declared as the most boring subject by the students. So how to deal with it? Let's understand. So the first and the most important tip is to not study it as a subject. Whenever you will study it as a subject, you will feel boring and you won't be able to study it much. So when you'll start to imagine it, when you'll start to experience it, when you'll start to get the feel of the text, like a story, like a novel, then you will be able to get more understanding of it. You'll be able to study it much more efficiently. So first of all, don't study it as a subject. Read it as a story or a fact data, which actually excites us to learn or know more about it. Imagine yourself in that place and then read. It's really a fun experience. Like, ever imagined? You went to the past and saw all the incidents. It will be really fun, like a time travel experience. Also, watch a movie or series, or perhaps if you're a gamer, play video games based on it. It really helps a lot. Visualization is the key to understand such subjects. So, despite of all this, there are a few unavoidable facts which you must comply with, wanting or unwantingly. It's better to improve your cramming skills a bit. Cramming will give you an extra edge in remembering all those dates of the events, which most of you find boring and aren't able to remember. As I said earlier, develop your interest in it like a story. Try to imagine all the wars, that luxuries, those love stories and all which create that movie-like feel which the history actually shows you. Try to understand more along with cramming. It actually helps in cramming. If you are able to understand the text and imagine it, then you will be able to cram it faster and more efficiently. For boring chapters where you don't have much of an option, just try to cram it by heart. Hence, mentioned earlier, it's better to improve your cramming power a bit. As I mentioned earlier, you can play video games related to those texts, like especially those World War games of that era. They really provide you information along with experience, which comes in handy at the time of exams. Moving on to the next subject, geography. For geography, I would recommend you to keep a check on the map on a regular basis, as it helps you in photo framing that map in your mind so you can recall it as and when required. Play Atlas more often or make games of it, like who will guess the right place first, the right state, the right place. It really helps a lot. It stimulates the mind to remember those things. Try to turn geography into a game. It does help a lot. Cramming of some details again is unavoidable. Have a basic idea of the text so that even if you try to make up your answers, even if you try to write it in your own words, with that basic idea of the text, you can make it sound a bit legit. So you should have the knowledge of basic geography, like the general knowledge stuff. What I mean by that is the national capitals, the state capitals, how many states are there, how many union territories are there, and later on which state is rich in which mineral or ore or etc. So first of all, understand the application of the details on the ground level, like the laws, all the situations mentioned, the case studies. They are all practical applications. So try to relate with it. For that, you can watch news channels, as most of them are filled with news related to these texts. For even more detailed information and to get more insight of it, you can watch the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha channels, as they are the best source for understanding civics. Again, an unavoidable thing, cram, cram, and cram. Moving on. The final elective of this subject is economics. It is on top of all the subjects as it is easy to understand. Try to watch some of the aspects of economics in your daily life, as it is also an essential part of the professional world. So you will be able to encounter most of the incidents which are recorded or studied under the subject of economics, and you will be able to gain more insight of it. Again, you have to take interest in it. It is the most important and primary key for all the electives of the subject, and watch news channels to get more detailed application insight of the text. So finally, gaining on the conclusion, take interest in the subject and try to follow the points mentioned in the video as they will really help a lot. And again, gear up a bit for the unavoidable aspects and you will gain command over the subject in no time. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button, share it among your friends so that even they get the knowledge and help of it. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.